up.
Yeah.
Dan, how many times have you ridden this so far?
This will be number 3.
Oh man, how's the launch?
You'll see. Alright, here we go. Whew.
I'm nervous.
Oh man.
So awesome.
What do you think, Arthur?
And then now that I've ridden it more times, like, okay, this is awesome.
Dynamics pretty close to what you just did, but it is different.
It's probably cool to see the train in front of you flip, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Is visually, it's really impressive to watch.
Probably very disorienting.
No, it's not disorienting.
No, to see the trains. No.
I mean, obviously you've been on X2, so you know when the seats in front of you are starting to rotate, but you haven't.
You see the guy.
That's what it feels like.
Yeah. Okay. That's cool.